Carly doing her round-off back handspring.
Watch out, Sam.
That was Sam. Woo! Do something else. Do something. Ow! Oh crap! Do something else again. Do something else. Woo!
Carly is amazing.
Carly, you're fricktastic.
You want me to climb the pole again?
Yes! And now Carly will demonstrate her mad skizzles. See, Carly is a gymnast and a cheerleader, and she's like amazing. Ready? Watch her legs, people. You know what? I'm gonna take a front view so that. Look at that. That skill. That precision. There's Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. Woo! Ready to get down?
Goodbye. I think I'm gonna climb this.